Did you know that rounding in Excel and Power Query doesn't work the same way? It's a small detail, but it can create big problems if you are not careful. Today I'll show you the differences and how to fix them. Let's start in Excel. By default, Excel users round half away from 0, or what we call school rounding. For example, 2.5 rounds up to 3, minus 2.5 down to minus 3. It's predictable and straightforward. Now let's switch to Power Query. First, I'll copy the column and apply Power Query's default rounding to whole numbers. Power Query uses round half to even or bunkers rounding by default. Watch this, 2.5 rounds to 2 because 2 is even, 3.5 rounds to 4 because 4 is even. So how can we make Power Query round numbers the same way as Excel? Sometimes just knowing the right function or option can solve everything, and here is a tip. Power Query has built-in help for its functions that can guide you. Let's type Number.Round into the formula bar without any arguments. Watch what happens. Here we go. Power Query shows us the 3 arguments we can use: the value to round, the number of digits to round to, and the optional rounding mode, which lets you control how rounding works. By default, Power Query uses rounding mode to even, but if we want Excel-style rounding, we can add the rounding mode away from 0 as the third argument. Now Power Query rounds just like Excel. Problem solved. This extra argument can save you a lot of time and confusion when working between the two tools. By the way, you can also use the alternative approach, Number.RoundAwayFromZero function. Just add a custom column and use this formula. It also does exactly what Excel's round function does, no extra arguments needed. So to wrap things up, understanding the differences between Excel's rounding and Power Query's default behavior is more than just a technical detail. It's critical, especially for finance and reporting professionals. A small rounding discrepancy might seem harmless, but when you are dealing with big datasets or sensitive calculations, it can make all the difference. Until next time, see ya!